الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة عمران الذين يذكرون الله قياما وقعودا وعلى جنوبهم ويتفكرون في خلق السماوات والأرض ربنا ما خلقت هذا باطلا سبحانك فقنا عذاب النار. Translation: Those who remember Allah standing and sitting and laying on their sides and who meditate thinking about the creation of heavens and the earth say, Our Rabb, you have not created all this aimlessly without any purpose. Glory be to you. Guard us then from the punishment of fire. As it was mentioned in the previous ayah, that those people who have wisdom, they ponder on the creation of the heavens and earth, and they ponder in the alternation of the night and day. And when they do that, they reach to a conclusion that the creator of these things is free from any weakness and is the greatest. And when they have the ma'rifat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when they reach to this conclusion, they start the zikr of Allah, they do the zikr of Allah, they remember Allah while they are standing, while they are sitting, while they are laying on their sides, and they keep on pondering in the creation of the heavens and earth. And more they think, more marifat, more closeness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala they achieve. And then they say that, Oh Allah, you have not created all this aimlessly without any purpose. And they say, because they realize that the creator is so great. And in this world we see that those people who are truthful sometimes are not rewarded, and those people who are the bad people sometimes they are not punished in this world. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created this universe, and this universe cannot be created on a false system. So there must be a day of resurrection. There must be a day that is coming in which the good people will get the good deeds and good rewards, and the bad people will be punished. And once they realize that, they glorify Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they ask their forgiveness from the hellfire, because now they have reached at the point that they know that the day of judgment is coming. And this happens when one have the vision that they can see through the things. When they see a beautiful flower, they can see how beautiful will be the creator of this flower, who has created that big that beautiful flower. When they see the giant mountains, they know that how big will be the creator who created these giant mountains. And when he see anything else like a sea, they know how vast will be the creator of this sea. So the pondering on the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That results in realization that there has to be a day of judgment coming, and in that day of judgment Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward the people who are doing the good deeds, and he will punish those people who are doing the bad deeds. And the true believer will always be involved in the tasbih, in glorifying Allah and in pondering on the creation of Allah. So let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us a true understanding of Quran, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us eyes that have vision, and that the eyes that can see beyond the material facts of an object. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.